This is another episode for you guys. Going to a track event with Car Culture. Steve Currington, LambrosSteve.com. All those names has come down all the way from Tulsa, and I figured why not join up with him. It's been quite some time whenever we've been trying to coordinate and collaborate on drives and showing off each other's cars, and unfortunately I can only show him the Aston this go around, but next time for sure he'll see the perf whenever that's all tidied up and buttoned up and pretty for him. But he brought his Lamborghini and we're about to get started here. Best GT3 in Houston? Yeah! Definitely one of the best license plates in Houston, that's for damn sure. And we got Billy Ellison. New Ferrari. Thought he was just going to replace the Aventador with this, but he got this and the Aventador.
Why not?
Why not?
If we don't come back, don't be surprised.
Send bail money?
No, we'll be waiting on the tow truck.
Steve, this is the best car you're ever gonna ride in.
Isn't it awesome? Isn't it awesome?
Yeah.
The Lambros in a Ferrari.
I love
Check that out.
I love
Check
the
that
carbon
out.
fee brake.
Got some live action of Steve introducing the channel. Everybody's about to depart. Looks like a good group here. I believe there are more cars joining us. This was just a nice convenient location for everybody to meet in town so that we can drive together and make an entrance at the MSR track. The sounds of the cars are pretty freaking unreal as they peel off. Run, Steve, run! I am no longer in the 9,000s. I was too focused on driving to capture the shift between 9,000 and 10,000 miles, but I am out of the 4-digit range and I'm in. Well, I was planning on getting some rolling shots of the cars as we drove to MSR, but ran into a red light. Decided not to run the red light. Thought I could maybe catch them, you know, go a little bit faster. Didn't work out so well. Apparently these guys are a lot faster than me with a nice little gap in between us. So unfortunately I'm not gonna have any rolling shots, but we'll get some good footage of the track. I'm planning for it.
Once the pressure's dropped, so it's like it's taking a little while.
Gotcha, to get it right?
Yeah, get it right at the sweet spot.
I like it. new company, Zor. They are a mobile tire, wheel, installation, total maintenance, care package, whatever you need. These guys are cool. Coming out to a track day. I know a couple of the guys there, and it's the first time I'm getting introduced to it. And this guy right here currently is working on a Porsche.
Caesar!
And Steve is calling me.
Time for the driver's meeting!
I'm not driving.
You're not driving?
I didn't pay.
Oh, man.
Will. Yes. Wearing the brand. Loving the hat. Turn this way so the sun gets in it. There you go. Oh yeah, it looks good. All right, it's track time. Just got to get Steve fitted with the helmet first. A little bit, no, not really much clearance at all. You're gonna hit the top of the roof. I expect you to laugh, everybody. Hey, man. You better not be last.
Represent the man in the machine. I won't let you down.
Yes. Oh, this is why you know he's good. He's got the camera in the back.
Okay, here we go, boys. I think this is the parade lap. Seems like it's going to be boring. We're following an expedition. All right, Lambros Steve, no more parade lap. This is your time to shine. Show us what you got. Nice apex. Good exit. Hands at 10 and 2, maybe 11 and 1 to 12. I can't tell. Oh, did you catch a bug in the eye? You might need to close that helmet visor. Nice job, Steve. Nice job. All right. Lambo's gone. Now it's time for the GT3. Let's see what you got, GT Car Joe. Whoa, is that Sean Smith in the M3 giving the point by? Nice etiquette, buddy. I'd race with you any day. There's something really satisfying watching a Porsche pass a Ferrari and listening to the exhaust note. What's your favorite brand? Ferrari or Porsche? Comment below. Way to put down the power, Joe. That entry and exit a little bit better, but pretty solid. Couple of more straights, just because I can't get enough of that exhaust. Nice, Justin. Love that GT3 RS spec. Yeah, Bill. Nice runs. Who do you think did better, Lambros Steve or GT Car Joe? Comment below.
I got Lambros Steve to park next to my car, one of my cars. New wrap, red black stuff look. Very nice. Actually, I think it's satin. It's not matte. Freaking cool car. Of course, my baby V12 Vantage.
All right, time to send us out with the last bit of B-roll and some rollers. watching. Let me know if you have any feedback or any ideas for future videos. Feel free to comment below. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and hit that notifications button.
Racing is life. Anything that happened before or after, it's just waiting.